The development of baby from conception to birth is a complex and fascinating process that involves several stages. When an egg and sperm unite, a zygote is formed. It usually happens in the fallopian tube. A zygote contains a full set of 46 chromosomes, half from each parent. Over the first few weeks, the zygote undergoes rapid cell division and becomes a blastocyst. By the end of the first month, the blastocyst implants into the uterine wall, marking the start of embryonic development. During the first trimester, the embryo transforms into a fetus. Organs begin to form, and by week 8, the heartbeat can be detected. By the end of the first trimester, the fetus has distinct facial features, limbs, and vital organs. The developing brain starts sending primitive neural signals. As we enter the second trimester, the fetus experiences rapid growth. By week 16, the baby's movements become more coordinated. Organs continue to mature, and the fetus becomes capable of hearing and reacting to external stimuli. By the end of the second trimester, the baby can open its eyes. The third trimester sees the fetus gaining weight and fine-tuning its development. By week 28, the baby's lungs are sufficiently developed to support breathing. Throughout this period, the baby's senses become more refined, and the brain undergoes significant growth. In the final weeks, the baby prepares for birth. The head typically moves down into the pelvis, aligning for delivery. The mother may experience Braxton Hicks contractions as the body gets ready. The due date, often set at around 40 weeks, is an estimate, and births can occur slightly before or after. The culmination of this incredible journey is the moment of birth. Contractions intensify, and the cervix dilates, allowing the baby to move through the birth canal. The baby takes its first breath, marking the transition from the protected environment of the womb to the outside world. Having some knowledge about the physiology of baby development reveals the intricate dance of life unfolding within the mother's womb. It's a testament to the complexity and beauty of the human body. If you found this video informative and educative, you smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that YouTube will notify you when more of our valuable videos like this drop. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.